Abigail. We are going to start with the prayer, right? And then we are going to practice a little bit some shapes. Let's see if you are practicing also your numbers from 11 to 20, right? Because this week, I think that we are going to start with subtractions. No, we're still working with additions, right? Next week, we are going to start with subtraction, and it will be a kind of easier for you practice numbers every day, right? Okay, keep your hands together. Hands together. Good morning, Said, and welcome back. Your family was sick, right? Okay. I'll count to 3. Thank you, Father.
Thank you, Father.
This day.
For this day.
For my life. For my family. For my school. Thank you, Father. For the plants. For the animals. For the air. For everything. God, bless my life. Amen. Okay, very nice. Okay, Hesman is in the class now. Okay, let's see. What day is today? Who knows what day is today? Raise your hand. Remember to raise your hand, right?
Monday.
Monday, very good. Okay, here we have the day. Today is Monday, June 29th, right? Today is the last Monday for this week. Okay, let's see. Today is the last Monday for this month, right? El último día lunes del mes de junio, right? So today is Monday, very good. And if today is Monday, what day was yesterday? What day was yesterday? Do you remember the days of the week? The first one is? Monday.
Yesterday was Monday.
Thursday. Friday. Today is Monday. Yes, of course. Thank you, Natalie. But yesterday, okay, was Sunday, right? Sunday is a weekend day, right? And weekend days you do whatever you, okay? But since Monday to Friday, you have classes. Okay, we are going to start practicing numbers. Here I have some of them because I want to, all of you, try to remember the rest, okay? Here we have just from number 0 to number 14, because then I'm going to ask you, okay, what number, right? Let's practice this one, right? Because some of you are not very well familiar with the numbers. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, what is our next number? What number is after number 14? What number is after 14? The ones that already practice numbers? We just have number 14, but what is next? Okay, if I have here number 14, okay, what number is next?
15.
15. Okay, nice. How do we write number 15? With a number 1. In our number 5. 15. Okay, after number 15, let's see Liam Paul. Liam Bayer. What number is next? What is the next number after 15?
16.
16, very good. And how do we write it? With a number 1, a number 6, right? 16, very good. Now, Elisa Yareli, after our number 16, what number is next? Elisa? Uh-huh. 7. Are you sure? Ah, okay. Let's see. Ah, Elizabeth Fuentes? No? No one knows. 17. Very good, Elizabeth. Number 17, right? How do we write it? With a number 1 and number 7. Number 17. Very good. Let's see, Natalie, after number 17, what number is next?
18.
Very good. Number 18, and that is written with number 1 and number 8, right? Number 18. Jose David, what number is next? What number is after number 18? Jose David? Gerardo Andino? Who wants to answer?
19.
Oh, very nice. Number 19. How do we write it? Number 1. Very good. Now, after number 19, what number is next? Number
20.
Number 20. Number 20. How do we write number 20? A number 2. And 0. Okay. Number 20. Very good. Those are our first numbers because as I've been telling you before, there are a lot. Now, okay? So now that we practice numbers, I'm not gonna ask you to write it down today because that is not what I wanted today. Now we are going to practice shapes, okay? Who wants to name some shapes? Give me this one shape. Ileana, do you know any shape? No? Let's see this one. What shape is this one? Well, I tried to do it good, right? What shape is this?
Circle.
Circle, very good. What about this one?
Oval.
Oval, good job. What about this one? Let's see. How do we call that shape that has 2 long sides and 2 short sides? It is a rectangle, right? Rectangle. Why we don't say square? Because our square has 4 sides and all of them have the same nature, right? El mismo tamaño. Okay, here we have a circle, oval, rectangle, square, triangle, right? What else? I cannot draw stars, but I will try.
Triangle.
Okay, triangle, right? Okay, let's pretend that it's a star. So, circle, oval, rectangle, square, triangle, star, right? Now, we are going to take your book, okay? Take your book and to page number 62. 6 and 2. 62. There you have 62. What are you going to do on the top? Well, you are going to write the date. Okay. Let me find the date. Okay. The day is here, right? Today is Monday, June 29. ¿Ah?
Creo que esa la había dejado de tarea porque el niño ya la tiene hecha.
La 62.
Mire, ve. Entonces, tenía la mandó.
Ok. Ok. Okay, if you finish, right, don't worry. We are just going to look that there are 3 different colors, right? And 3 different ways to draw our triangle. One of them begins from in the middle, right? In the middle, and we open the lines, and we have a triangle. Then we can start from the left, to down, and then we are going to have another triangle. Yes? We can also write a triangle since the right, left, right side, right? And that is why they look so different, right? They are both here are not looking the same as this one, right? They are looking different because they both here didn't start from the middle. No empezaron desde el en medio, right? Desde el centro. That is why they look different. Okay, if you finish this page, don't worry because we're still working. We are not going to forget those shapes because they are important and you are going to work with them for a long time, right? Okay. Now that you already finished, because some of you may have, you already have that page done, right? Ya terminaron esa página. Maybe I had a mistake. I thought that I didn't have it. Yes? Let's see. I thought that is page 62.
Miss,
Dígame.
disculpe, Miss. No creo que todos los niños tengan esa tarea hecha porque esa tarea no la ha dejado.
Sí, por eso yo dije, me quedé así cuando ella me dijo, pero no hay problema, si ya la completaron o no, la vamos a trabajar ahorita, ¿ok?
La página 62, pero del libro más del grueso, esa es la que...
Es de matemática.
De registro. No, del otro libro, de ese libro más grueso.
Bien, para matemáticas tenemos únicamente este, que es de portada blanca, así. ¿Okay?
No, pero este es el libro más grueso, que usted es el que hace referencia a la página 62 en la zona.
Ah, ok, en la tarea, ¿verdad? Que ahí
Sí.
le puse de ciencia. Ok, let's work on this. Okay, there you have different position of the triangle. You have to look at the right ones and you have to color them according with its color here, right? If this one starts from the right side or left side, look at this one. You have to look all of the ones that have the same face, right? The same face here. And you have to color them in purple. If you see, if there are some of them are looking more like this one, they should be in red, okay? They should be red. And if we have another face of the triangle, it would be green, okay? You can work. I know this face isn't good because there are a lot of colors, but you can follow the same one that you have. Purple, red, and green, okay? Dylan Paul, you already done that with that one, right? Don't worry, your classmate will finish right now. Okay, Yannick, take your time to work on that. Miguel, Natalie, Megan, Elizabeth, Abigail, Axel, Kimberly, all of you, please keep working with triangles, right? Triangles. Dylan, are you in classes? Dylan Ponce? Yes. There you are. Okay, try to keep only one way to color, from up and down or from right to left, okay? But don't mix both ways because your work is doesn't look good. Look, here, the boy who was working on this page, it was not working in only one side. That is why the shapes here are not, they are not looking good. Look, they are kind of mess. Just keep it down and up, down and up, right? That way, and it helps you to move better, right? Your hand at the time to write. And there is a way to practice your fine motor skills. Okay, Axel, where are you? I don't see you. Axel, Said, Dylan. Yes. Very good, Jose. Fabriana. Fabriana, I don't see. Okay, Fabriana is working. Yes, there you are, right? Eliana, are you working? Jesslyn is working. Andino, Gerardo Andino is working.
I see Mimi.
Do you finish to color all of them? Okay. Do you follow the colors? Okay, they should be green, red, and purple, right? Do you color following the picture here? Green, red, and purple, right? Which one should be purple? Okay. The ones that have this face, right? The one that they start from left to right. Mhm. Okay. Brittany's mom is there, right? Dylan, are you there? Okay. Brittany's mom, we are working on page 64. Page, okay, 64, Brittany's mom. Okay, Santiago West is here. I'm going to wait for Santiago, okay. Santiago and Brittany. We are working on page 62. There, right? 62. And there, Brittany and Santiago, you are going to color the triangles according with the position that they have, right? The ones that had a frontal face, like that, this one, they should be red, okay? Then, there you will find some of them like this. First one that you have in green, the other one over here in purple. And you have to look at all of them that look the same as the red one, the purple one, or the green one, and color with the same color as you have in there, right? That is a word for right now.
A la fin, Miss.
Buen día, Miss.
Very good. Just let me answer, Ayman.
Miss, ¿me podría apoyar con en qué libro están trabajando y qué hoja? Nos confundimos de clase.
Ah, ok. Estamos en esa de matemáticas. Y estamos en la página 62.
Gracias, Miss.
Bueno, a la orden. Okay, take your time. Don't run. Working on those shapes. You have to do it carefully. And then you will look that your work is good, right? See? Okay. Diana is working.
I
Yeah, you have to follow the colors that you have in the example. Very good, Kimberly, Tatiana. David is working. Okay, Axel, very good. Miguel is working too. Jesslyn. Brittany, Brittany has a problem with the computer. Okay, very good. Hesam.
I finished.
Okay, if you finish the color, you have to count 1, 2, 3, right? How many red triangles do you have? How many green triangles? And how many purple triangles are in your book? And then you have to write the answer in the lower part here, right? In the boxes. How many purples? How many red? And how many green? You have to
How many
count.
green? How many red? How many purple?
You have to be careful, right? Do not confuse with the colors.
How many?
I already have my answers, right? You have to count carefully, right? Count carefully to get a very, very good assertive answer.
I finished, miss.
You finished, very good. Now let's wait for the rest, okay? We need to wait for the rest in order to keep working with the next exercise.
I finished.
Very good. Okay, I have a question. Do you practice the alphabet? Very good, Kimberly. Did you practice the alphabet? Yes? No? You have to keep practice the alphabet. One of those days, I'm going to call you as a surprise call, right? Una llamada sorpresa. And I'm going to ask for the alphabet. You have to recognize the alphabet. And I'm going to ask you to spell your names. You have to keep practicing your alphabet and a way to spell your name every day, right? As the same with numbers. One of those days I'm going to call you. And even if you are not ready, I'm going to ask. Okay, where is Yannick? Yannick, where are you? Dylan, are you working? I want to see you working, Dylan.
I finished, miss.
Very good, Godoy. And Laines, very nice. Did you count how many red, green, and purple triangles do you have? Okay, when everybody finished that part, we are going to count to see if you are really good in math, right? Counting at least. Because if you're not counting numbers, we cannot continue, right? Because we need to be sure to every one of you can count. No one can get confused counting from 0 to 10 to 0 to 12. Every one of you should use fingers, thumbs, pencils, everything that you have at home to count. Okay, to count. Why? Because I am looking for an assignment for this week where you have to develop some exercises. Counting, right? Counting. Because sometimes mom and dad help you, right? And you just write the answer, but the thing is that you have to count by your own. Okay, Jenny, you are back, right? Let's work. Remember that you need to take your time to color. Color well. Do not coloring as you have to
I
go.
finished, Miss.
Very good, Gerardo. As you are traveling, right? In the ocean,
I
you have to
finished, Miss.
focus. Very good, Jose David, on whatever you are doing. Okay. Let's see. If you're still coloring, don't worry. Keep working on that part. Now, I'm going to ask for the ones that are already done. Okay, let's see. Astrid, you told me right that you finished. Who else? Jose David. If you are free, David, let's see. How many green triangles do you have? Jose David? How many green triangles? Did you count?
I finished.
Do you finish? Okay, Natalie. Keep there, right? Don't go away because after Jose, where is Jose? How many? 5 green triangles, right? Did everybody has 5 green triangles written in the box?
No, 4.
4.
Guys?
4. Cuéntanos.
4 green triangles. Let's see. 1, 2, 3,
No.
4, 5, right? There are 5 green triangles. Green triangles should be 5, right? You have to read them in the box. Very good. Now, thank you, Jose. Now, who else? Ileana, how many red triangles did you find?
4.
4, excellent. Very nice. There are 4, right? 4 red triangles. Very nice. And Gerardo Andino.
Me.
Very good, Megan. Very nice. Thank you. Gerardo Andino, if you're ready, do you want to tell us how many purple triangles do you find? How many purple triangles? Okay, Megan?
Cuéntanos los purples.
How many purples?
Dígale a la misma cuántos hay entonces.
Está preguntando.
Yeah?
¿Cuántos popos hay en mi cuaderno?
Usted
Ajá.
tiene que contar.
Tell us.
Purple
You
triangle.
have to count. Gerardo, how many purples do you find?
3 purple triangle.
Very good. There are 3, Megan. 3 purple triangles. Excellent, Gerardo. Very good. Megan, you have to look at them. There are 3, right? 3 purples, 4 red, and 5 green triangles. Excellent. Okay, look. 5 green, 4 red, and 3 purple triangles. Very good. You are very good students, right? Counting numbers. Now, as you are good students, we are going to look for page.
Mire, ya terminé.
Very nice, Fabri. Excellent. Very nice. Thank you. Now, Fabri, and all of you will look for page, 63. I mean, the next page in your book, 63. if you are there, you are going to see that there are three numbers. The first number is number what? What number is it? Is here. It's number 8. The second one is number, what number is it? 9. And the last one is number 10. Very good. So what are you going to do there? You are going to trace the two first numbers in the box. Then by your own, ustedes solitos, okay, are going to write a number 8, big number. This one isn't good. This number should be like this. Okay, you have to cover the space, right? Look, your number 8 should be big like this. You have to cover the spaces in each box. Number 8. Then you will do the same with number 9 and number 10. Then, if you have here number 8, you are going to color only 8 flowers. Here, you are going to color 9 flowers. And here, 10 flowers, right? But first, let's trace and write the numbers, right? Trace the number 8 and write the number 8. Trace number 9 and write the number 9, okay? Yes, can you do it now? This is just a kind of review, a kind of feedback, right? Because then we are going to work with something else. Not today, right? No, because we have only 5 minutes. But at least in maybe in 2 weeks or 1 week and a half, we are going to develop something different, right? Well, not in 2 weeks. I think that on Wednesday we are going to work on your notebooks. On Wednesday we are going to work at least 1 page in your book as a review, and the rest of the exercises will be developing in your notebooks, right? On Wednesday, every one of you should have your notebook and pencils as well with you. That is what we're going to do on Wednesday. Remember, if you finish to write and trace the numbers, you have to count carefully, right? Deben contar con cuidado. Because on the first part, I won't see 9 flowers because the number that you have there is number 8. In our second line, there should be only 9 flowers, right? Choose any color. If you want to color all in red or pink or purple, that's okay, but there should be 8 at the beginning, 9 in the middle, and 10 at the end, right? In that order, according with the numbers that you have, that should be the amount of flowers that you should have colored. Okay, we have only 2 as normal, right, as you can. If we end with this class, you complete it when you can. Lo terminan cuando puedan, porque después vamos a la siguiente clase. And then you have to send me the pictures, right? For 2 pages, the ones that you are working now and the ones that you were working before, right? Because there are only 2 minutes and we are not sure if you are going to complete it, and I want to push you to do it quickly. You have to take your time to color each petal, right? Cada petalito de las flores. Very good. Don't color out of the flower. Only inside. No pinten afuera de la flor, deben pintar únicamente la florcita. Because numbers are easy to write, you have to follow only the 2 examples that you have at the beginning. And then you have to write it good numbers, right, in the box. Big numbers. I won't see tiny numbers, no. That is why the space that you have there is big.
Miss,
Yes?
tengo que pintar los colores que están en negrita.
¿Ah? En
Las
negrita.
flores.
Yes, you can color. No. No, the colors that you have in each part here, no. You have to look for new ones to color the flowers, okay? Don't take the colors that you have in each arrow there, no. Los colores que están en las flechas, no. You have to look new ones for the flowers.
Amarillo.
Cualquier color, Miss.
Lo voy a hacer.
Sí.
Ok, gracias.
Bueno, a la orden. Okay, Godoy is no amarillo, right? It can be yellow, red, purple, pink,
Vaya de todo. ¿Ve?
orange, right? But don't say amarillo because you are not in a Spanish class, right?
Los tres.
Huh? Okay, we have less than a minute. If we end, I want to see you, all of you, right, in our phonics class with your notebook.